showing you how to paint a pumpkin. First off, you're gonna need a pumpkin. Second off, you're gonna need paintbrushes. You're gonna need a paper plate to put your paint on, meaning you need acrylic paint in any color that you want to paint your pumpkin. You're going to need a damp paper towel and something to put underneath your pumpkin along with a stencil. First, we're gonna lay out something to put our pumpkin on, and just in case our paint spills, that way we don't ruin the table. So once you have that laid, you're just gonna pick your pumpkin up and place it in the middle. Next, you're gonna take your damp paper towel and you're gonna wipe your pumpkin off with it. This way, you're going to get any excess dirt off of your pumpkin before you have to paint. So that's what I'm doing now, is just wiping it off. And it'll air dry pretty quick since your paper towel is just damp. And after you're done wiping your pumpkin, you'll notice there was dirt on there. Second, you're gonna take your primer, which is what you're gonna use to cover your whole pumpkin with. So I'm using white, and I'm just gonna give it a nice little good shake, and then I'm gonna put it on my paper plate. I'm gonna use a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a lot on there. Dip your paintbrush in the paint. Just get a lot on there, and then you're gonna take it to your pumpkin, and you're gonna go along the lines of the pumpkin. You don't wanna go the other way, because then you won't be able to cover it all the way. Once you finish painting, this is what it's going to look like. It's gonna be covered all in white, and after you let it dry, your next step is going to be taking your second color paint that you want to put polka dots on. So I'm using orange because it's fall. So you're gonna put the orange on your paper plate again. You're gonna have quite a bit, and then you're gonna take your round paintbrush and you're going to dab it into your paint. You're gonna kind of dab it off, and then you're just gonna start putting orange dots all over your pumpkin. And then you might have to dip it in your paint probably every 2 times you dab. So as you can see, I just finished polka dotting my pumpkin, and you can put as many polka dots on your pumpkin as your heart contains. I did a pretty good amount of them, but you can leave white space or you can fill it. The final step is to paint the picture onto your pumpkin. I'm using black to paint my picture on, but you can use any color that you want. So go ahead and place your paint onto your paper plate. You're going to place your stencil onto your pumpkin, and today I've chosen to paint a cat. You can choose whatever you want. You can buy stencils from the store, or you can make them. I made this out of cardboard. Next, you're going to place your stencil where you want it and hold it with one hand or two. You're going to take your paintbrush and dip it in your paint, and then you're going to hold your stencil and just start painting away and filling in where the stencil. Once you have it all filled in and everything, you're just gonna lift the stencil off and you'll see that you have whatever animal you chose.